Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about OTG pendrive usage in the Realme X2 Pro device. So whether you can use the OTG pendrive or not. So as you can see guys, right now I'm using the Realme X2 Pro model. So if you're having any queries regarding the X2 Pro device, you can comment to the WhatsApp number given below. So even you need to send me the screenshot after subscribing to my channel along with the query whatever you are having. So let me show you what model I'm using right now in this video. As you can see here. So Snapdragon 855 Plus and 8GB RAM and 128GB variant. So recently I did a lot of videos on the X2 Pro. If you want to know more about this device, do check the links in the description for the playlist which contain in detail reviews about the X2 Pro phone. So now let me get back to the OTG pendrive test. As you can see guys, here this is a SanDisk OTG 2-in-1 Type-C pendrive. So where will USB on the one side and the Type-C on the other side, as you can see here. So before connecting the Type-C pendrive, you need to enable the settings after going to the additional settings. So here you need to enable the OTG connection, as you can see here. So once you enable that, automatically the phone detects the OTG pendrive. So you can, if you want to buy the pendrive, you can check the links in description for the pendrive. Because the phone doesn't come with the expandable storage, if you are using this kind of 2-in-1 pendrives, it's easy to transfer the data between two devices. So as you can see guys, the pendrive has been detected successfully here. So in this test, I'll be doing 4 different kinds of tests, as you can see here. So first I'll be transferring the data from the OTG pendrive to the Realme X2 Pro device. So then the same data I'll be transferring the X2 Pro to the OTG pendrive. So I'll be calculating how much time it takes to transfer the data between pendrive to the phone and phone to pendrive. So same kind of test I did with a lot of other devices like OnePlus 7 Pro and the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So using the same amount of data and same files and same pendrive. So even I'll be transferring the data within the pendrive and within the phone as well to check how much time it takes, everything. So in all my videos, I have used one common application in transferring the data. So this application which I have used in all my videos. So if you are interested to know what speed is in the Redmi K20 Pro or any other smartphone or on 9X or Redmi Note 8 Pro, you can check the links in the description for the playlist of particular phone. So and you can find the videos on the OTG pendrive of the devices. So as you can see guys, here when you swipe it, you will get the 2 different drives here, internal and the USB drive. So first let me select the USB drive, and first I'll be copying the first test folder to the phone. So let me select copy. So the reason why I'm using this application is that here it's clearly visible how much time it takes to transfer the data between pendrive to the phone. And the very biggest advantage is that Realme X2 Pro comes with a UFS 3.1, so which has higher data transfer frame rates when compared with the other devices. So as you can see guys, right now I'm transferring the 6.67 GB of data from pendrive to the phone. So the average speed is around 30 Mbps, close to the 30 Mbps. So if you want to know what are the speeds in Redmi K20 Pro and the OnePlus 7 Pro, don't forget to check the playlist of particular devices. So you can find interesting results on a lot of other devices. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru for more interesting and comparison videos. So if you are having any queries regarding the smartphone, you can WhatsApp me to the number. And throughout my usage, everything is fine guys with the device. There is no problem at all, Realme X2 Pro. So there's not much even heating problem as well. So definitely in the future I'll be doing gaming test as well. So we'll get to know how is the heating performance in the Realme X2 Pro. So as you can see guys, overall it took more than 3 minutes to transfer the data. So you can see the time here, 3 minutes and 42 seconds. So now I'll be transferring the same folder from the phone to the OTG pendrive, as you can see here. So first let me delete the folder from the pendrive. So now I copied the pendrive from the phone to the OTG pendrive. So let's see how much is the data transfer speeds. So if you're transferring them from the phone to the pendrive, so this should be a little bit faster than expected. As you can see guys, how much time it takes to transfer. So as you can see here friends, it took about more than 6 minutes to transfer the data from phone to pen drive. 6 minutes and 12 seconds. So now I'll be transferring the data between the only within the OTG pen drive, not with the phone. So as you can see guys, so I'm gone to the USB drive here. So I'll be copying all the videos from the one test folder to the second test folder, as you can see here. So there are no videos in this folder. So let's check how much is the data speed transferring within the pen drive. So if you want to transfer from one folder to the other folder in the pen drive by connecting to the phone, how much time it takes overall. So as you can see here guys, it took more than 10 minutes to transfer the data within the OTG pen drive. So now only I'll be transferring the data within the phone, not using any OTG pen drive. I just want to transfer from one folder to other folder in the internal memory of the device. So let me transfer this data, copy, and I'll be creating the new folder under 2 test, as you can see here. So in this folder I'll be trying to copy all these files, same amount of files. So let's check how much is the data speeds within the device. So because the Realme X2 Pro has the UFS 3.1, you'll get higher data transfer speed rates in the Realme X2 Pro when you're transferring in the phone. As you can see, the speeds are close to 100, the maximum. As you can see guys, how fast it is data transfers within the phone. So if you want to transfer from one folder to other folder, it will be very fast. As you can see, it took 46 seconds, that's it. So these are overall using the OTG pen drive or data speed test in the Realme X2 Pro guys. So while transferring the data, so within the phone and within the OTG pen drive, and from the pen drive to the phone and phone to pen drive. So that's it guys, this is a quick review on this device, and for more videos subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries regarding this smartphone, you can message me in the WhatsApp. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.